What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best dash cams under $100 of 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Link the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. We'll kick off toadies. Number 5. M2 3-channel dash cam. When dash cams first hit the scene, you had to buy multiple units to capture what was in your front, rear and side. Technological advancements have allowed manufacturers to combine all of these into one product. And when it comes to low-budget, high-quality dash cams with 3 channels, the M2 dash cam is one of the best you can buy. The M2 dash cam has a triple channel setup that simultaneously captures your car's front, cabin, and rear. This setup provides all the data you need to resolve disputes and catch stage pedestrian accidents. Stay updated on everything outside your car with live video feedback on the IPS screen. The front camera comes with 1080p resolution, while the inside cabin and rear cameras offer 720p. That is enough quality to identify places, analyze events and make the correct conclusions. You get full situational awareness in both night and day, thanks to the super night vision on the exterior camera and IR cabin light for the inside cabin camera. The best part is that the dash cam unit automatically locks the footage when it detects a bump or collision, providing real-time evidence to resolve disputes and accident claims. If the internal memory is filled, the system will override the oldest unprotected files to store the new footage. The dash cam also offers 24-hour recordings when your car is parked. For this, you will need to pay separately for a hardwire kit. However, you don't need a hardwire kit for essential functions such as video recording and auto-saving. The M2 dash cam unit has a compact design for easy, discreet installation. It also supports up to 64 GB memory cards. Number 4. Vantru N1 Pro Mini Dash Cam. The Vantru N1 Pro Mini Dash Cam has a compact design to ensure it doesn't get in your vision while driving. However, don't let the small size fool you. This mini dash cam comes with an FHD 1080p camera equipped with super night vision and a 160 degrees wide-angle f1.86 layers glass lens to capture all relevant road details, including license plates. Vantru designed this dash cam to work with trucks, SUVs, and trucks. If it moves, this dash cam is excellent for it. With its advanced Sony sensor, this dash cam can detect collisions and bumps and automatically lock in footage that you can review later. When you turn off your vehicle, the dash cam will continue to run in standby mode and automatically come online when it detects vibration. However, you must get a hardwire kit to enjoy the standby mode. Aside from the night vision and HD camera, this unit also has GPS tracking, audio recording, and a time-lapse function. This feature lets you track your car's location, speed, and driving route. The inbuilt mic provides high-quality audio recording even in noisy situations. At the same time, the time-lapse feature takes photos at a preset interval and merges them into a video clip. However, this dash cam doesn't have the GPS feature by default. You will need to buy an extra N1 Pro GPS mount for GPS tracking. Thankfully, other features, such as audio recording and time-lapse, come for free. It also has a high heat resistance chipset for a longer lifetime and stable performance. Number 3. A10 dash camera for cars. The A10 dash cam offers super sharp, high-resolution video footage to give you all the data you need to defend your case. It comes with a 170 degrees ultra-wide angle to capture more detail and super night vision to capture license plates in poor lighting conditions. With its super large IPS display screen, you can quickly review video data, identify license plate numbers, and spot all the actions leading to the collision. The result is high-quality evidence for the moments that you need the most. It has a USB charger. It also has a highly sensitive G sensor that automatically locks the current video recording into the memory card for future review. You can also set the video to automatically save footage every 1, 3, or 5 minutes depending on your preference. If the internal memory gets filled up, the unit automatically deletes the old videos to create space for the new ones. Installing and uninstalling the A10 dash cam comes as easy as mounting it onto the windshield. It automatically comes on the moment you turn on your car engine and goes off when you switch the ignition off, so it doesn't drain your car battery. It comes with support for up to 32 micro South Dakota memory cards. And even better, the unit ships with a free 32 GB South Dakota card. It also has a built-in lithium battery that allows the dash cam to record after you have turned off the car for about 20 seconds. This emergency feature kicks in when the unit detects a collision. Number 2. 100 New Dash Cam, iZeekr. The 100 New Dash Cam from the iZeekr brand has full HD resolution and a wide-angle lens that provide a wide viewing range and produce crisp, clear footage. You also get excellent video quality when driving at night or in a tunnel thanks to its night vision, WDR, and f1.8 large aperture. This dash cam automatically starts recording when you turn on your car. It provides up to 5 minutes of record time even after you have turned off the vehicle. You will need to turn on the parking monitoring function for this to happen. If you want the video recording to go on for longer, you will need to get the Hardwire Kit. Its loop recording function and automatic emergency recording are some of the other benefits of this dash cam. The loop recording function automatically overwrites your oldest unlocked videos to free up spaces for more footage. It also comes with a built-in sensor that automatically detects a bumper shock and saves the footage as evidence. So even if there is no vibration, but you find something you need to review later or present as evidence, you can still lock in the footage by hitting the lock button. This excellent dash cam unit has all the essential functions and complementary extras. It also has all the necessary accessories except the microSD card and hardware kit. You should have no problem installing this unit in your car. Note that this dash cam requires a brand class 10 or higher 32 GB microSD card. Number 1. Viofo A119 V3 Car Dash Camera. The A119 V3 dash cam with GPS function uses modern tech such as the advanced 5MP IMX335 Sony StarVis sensor, HDR function, and f1.67G lens to record high-quality video day and night. It shoots in 2160p QHD+, resolution of 60/30 frames per second to make it easy for you to identify details and read license plates. It also has an advanced parking mode that offers 3 solutions to all your needs. These are the auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. The auto event detection, buffered parking mode function automatically records 15's footage before and 30's after the event. To use this feature, you need the HK3ACC hardwire cable, sold separately. The time-lapse feature means the camera will take pictures at set intervals and combine them into a single clip, as we see on other dashcams. The low bitrate recording allows you to get consistent footage even after the vehicle is in parking mode. You also get GPS tracking thanks to the GPS module. You can access the GPS data, speed, time, and route in the video file. You also get date and timestamps embedded in the footage to help you accurately track where the video was going and the events going on around it with accurate timing. Overall, the A119 V3 dash camera is an excellent choice for crystal clear footage with GPS tracking and timestamps. It is effortless to install and remove, so you can use it for a rental and remove it when you are done. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.